Alrighty, guys. I just got off work, but I gotta work on my car, and so today, I guess the project for today is working on the headlights. This one I sanded a little bit already. This is the other one, kind of crappy, but what I'm gonna be using, this thingy right here, I don't know if you can see it, 400 grit, 1,000, 1,500, and then my boss hooked it up with some 2,000 right there, 2,000. I'll be using a block for that one, and high gloss clear coat. Boss hooked it up on this one too, and I got water, a cup of water, since I'm gonna be doing wet sanding. I know most of you guys won't do it this way. Some people polish it out, or you taking the cooler?
There's an actual one I was using, so I put my own shit in there.
Okay.
Don't put some mice in it.
Nice.
Because I have waters and I have sodas in there.
That's my brother-in-law going to work.
Huh?
I'm making my video.
Oh, hello.
That's cool. Do you want to use mine too, or what?
You want to bring your ice?
Yeah, let me get the small one. Alright, well, back to making this thing. Alright, so I sanded this down. It's all powdery and stuff now. It has this thingy. I don't know what it is. And it has a little bit of clear coat left from the old one. I'll be working on that one later, but I'm gonna do this one. And first, I'm gonna hit it with, this is the 400 grit. What you wanna do, well, what I learned was, first you do side by side, no circles, just side by side. So let's get that started. Dunk it in the water. And sand it. So I'm going to do side by side first. I'm going to go all the way across later. But I'm just going to sand this way. And when I get to here, I'll show you the next step. But let me get this done then. I thought about doing the headlights because I have free time right now. My wife and baby sleeping, so I'm trying to take advantage of it, you know what I'm saying? And after this is all done, I'm getting my stuff ready for the D10 breast cancer awareness show that's coming up in a few days, and hopefully I upload this video before then. If not, just let you know I probably went to the show already. But if you see this before this Saturday, then yeah, I'll be there. It's gonna be in Newark, California. It'll probably be my 5th time going to that event. So if y'all go, if you guys see me, just come by and say what's up. Alright, so This is side by side. It looks okay. Got most of the stuff off. That's side by side. Now we gotta go up and down like this with the same 400. If it feels slippery, then just switch out to another one. Mine feels okay. And these headlights aren't too bad. They're just a little dirty. So let's get to that then. Alright, that took a few minutes, but I was able to go up and down all the way. And you know, make sure you keep this wet. Keep it wet, because you don't want to be sanding it all dry and nasty. So now, hopefully you have a rag, which if you don't, you should get some rags. And we're gonna wipe this off, and we're done with the 400. Alright, this is what it looks like at 400. I know a lot of people won't agree with the grip. They might think it's too rough, but I've done this before and you know, came out pretty clean. So 400. Now on to 1000. Alright, so I'm doing 1000. Again, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go side to side. Remember, I'm doing this by hand, so side to side all the way. All the way down. Alright guys, so this is 1000. I went sideways and I went up and down already. Super wet, and then I just wiped it off. It's all hazy, but that's okay. Now on to 1500. Alright, so I just finished the 1500. It's starting to haze up. You see that? I just wiped it down. Watch. That's just water. So 1500. Now it's time. Let's do 2000. Only had the Continent blocks. That's what my boss gave me. So that's what we're doing. I'm also going to hit this one with 2000. Alright, so this is the 2000. Doesn't look like much. Now I have to do this one. I don't know if you can see a difference. That's 2000. This is 1500. 2000, 1500. So let's get this one started and finished, and we'll go from there. Alright, just finished this one. It's about to haze up. You'll see it haze up in a bit, but that's the 2000. This one hazed up already. So these are dirty. We gotta get a brand new one. Clean these off. And we're gonna start going with the clear. Alright. Now since we're doing this at home, not professional or anything, I made this rig. It's not even a rig, it's just a garbage can and a box for mangoes. Oh, and I see someone's awake. That's my daughter. Uh-oh. She look mad. Anyways, gotta shake the can up. And we're gonna shoot it. shaking this thing. There's no mixing thing inside, but whatever. Alright, so let's do it. This is what it looks like. Let's start from this side. Get my test spray in. Constantly shaking it too. Just light coats. Not too bad. So that was just a first light coat. On to this one. Let me go move the other one first. Actually, I'm gonna hold it from the back. Let's set it right here. Okay. Gonna do this one next. Perfect. Actually, let me clean it up a little bit just in case it's dirty. So let me clean it up and I'll spray it again. Just so you guys see the difference. Clear coat, no clear coat. I'm about to do this one right now. I just cleaned it off a little bit. And I will record again. So here's the other one. Cleared already. Pretty much done. I gotta do that one next. The Evo. And there's my Prelude. This one has covers on it. Not covers, but the wrap. Gotta take those off and do that too. Freak.